In this video, I will show you how to send money from Revolut to Kraken. So we're going to start from our Kraken app, and from here we're going to click on the purple button down below, and then here we're going to click on deposit cash or crypto. This screen you're going to select the currency that you want to send. So in this tutorial I'm going to send euro. Right now we need to click on our payment method, and my default method is PayPal, but we're going to click on this and we're going to add a new deposit method. So in this screen you can select an easy bank transfer and a manual bank transfer, and I'm going to select easy bank transfer as it has lower fees and it is faster. And right now I'm going to search for Revolut. And my Revolut bank is based in Belgium, so I'm going to select Revolut BE. And if you don't see your Revolut bank in here, then you can click on select another method, and then you're going to click on PayPal again, click on add new deposit method, and then select manual bank transfer, and then you can select SEPA, then you click on continue, and then you can go ahead and send your money to this bank account from your Revolut account. And that way you can still do it from when your country is not in that list. But let's say that your country is in the list, then we're going back to the easy bank transfer. We select Revolut, we click on our country, and that is Belgium. We're going to enter the amount that we wish to send. Let's say 1 because this is the minimum. And you can also click on SEPA and then select SEPA Instant. This is faster. And now you can click on Review. Down below you need to swipe to confirm this. So we will be connected with Revolut right now. And Revolut will ask us right now to confirm this transaction. So go ahead and click on confirm and select your account that you want to send the money from. So this one is okay for me, and I'm going to click on confirm. So the payment has been authorized. So now we click on close, and now we need to wait a little while before the money to be in our account. So that is how you send money from Revolut to Kraken. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.